each other. No bullshit.
I need to speak to Boomer.
What for? Do you want to take a chair?
No. Come on.
Hey, we didn't get a chance to chat.
Yeah, I'm gutted.
You're Franky Doyle, aren't you?
Yeah.
Heard a lot about you.
What?
Why'd you come and see me?
What's in it for me?
Well, you're up for parole soon, aren't you? If you can show that you're attending regular counselling, working on self-improvement, it'll look good for the suits on the board.
I need a miracle, not a counsellor.
Why don't you come and talk about it? You got a problem?
Fuck it. Why the hell, I've already blown my parole.
Hey, calm down.
I'm not feeling calm right now. I'm feeling pretty fucking angry. What are you gonna do about it?
All right, let's talk.
I don't do talking.
If you don't calm down, I'm going to have to call for an officer.
Good, do it! What are you fucking waiting for?
Why don't you tell me what the problem is, Franky? Yeah, this isn't achieving anything, Franky.
You're all talk. I prefer action.
Move out of the way, ladies. Move out of the way. Doyle, what are you doing?
Franky, give it up!
Doyle, step away from the shelves.
What the hell's going on?
I'm slotting her. Come on.
About time. God.
Can I speak with her?
No.
I want to understand where that aggression's coming from.
Well, I'll tell you where it's coming from. She is a convicted criminal. She threw a pan of boiling oil in somebody's face. She's a drug dealer and a violent delinquent. She is beyond help.
Oh, I disagree. I think there's something else going on.
Your opinion is irrelevant.
The department doesn't think so.
Early days.
How long will she be in there for?
As long as I see fit.
I stare at the girl in the mirror. T-shirt, torn up jeans, no beauty queen. But the way that you see me, you get underneath me, and all my defenses just fall away, fall away. I am beautiful with you, even in the darkest corner of me. I am beautiful with you, make it feel the way it's supposed to be. You're here with me, you show me this and I believe. I am beautiful with you. I stand naked before you now, no walls to hide behind, so here am I.